In this video, we'll be showing you how to set an event page to be your home page. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Events, and then from the Event Management menu for the relevant event, select Set as Homepage. Click on the Set as Homepage button to confirm. This option is really handy when you just have one event running or you're running an online auction, because auction lots do not show on your shop page. To revert to your main shop page, head to Admin, Settings, and in the Basic Details tab, change your default page to Shop. And then click on the Update button. And that's it! You can now successfully set an event page to be your homepage. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.